Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that we should keep trying until we get it right. So let's start our trial for today. I have been attempting questions from Maths Practice Paper 2023. Now we are going to attempt questions from section D and E, which are a bit lengthy to look at and might scare you. But if you want to attempt along with me, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics and hit the bell icon. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with question number 32. It says a wall. Here the wall measures 5 meter in length, 5 meter in length and 4 meter in height. I think width. Instead of height, it should be width. The outer portion of the wall of uniform width x meter will be painted. This is the outer wall that of x meter width. This needs to be painted. And the central portion will be tiled. The in between portion, the squared blocked one. This is the inside portion which needs to be tiled. The total budget is rupees 5,800, which includes the tiles at rupees 500 per meter square. The tiling will be 500 per meter square, and the paint will be rupees 200. Painting should be done of the outer wall. This is the need. So that is to be done at rupees 200 per meter square rate, and the total cost of this of this wall says that work is completed as per the budget. Show your work. Now let's take the area that needs to be tiled. What is the area? Let's calculate that. In terms of x, it will be calculated. Finally, we'll get the value of x from there. Let's see. Let's calculate the area of the portion to be tiled, right? That is what the question is saying. Now, for this rectangular portion, length into breadth will give us the area, length into breadth. Now, what is the L here? L will be, this entire portion is 5 meter. If I subtract x from here and x from here, I'll get the length. So, the length of the inner wall is how much? 5 minus 2x. Where is this 2x coming from? Minus x this side and minus x from this side. This is the total length. If I subtract this x from here and this x from here, then I will get the length of this portion of the wall. Now, what is this width or breadth? That will be, breadth will be again 4 from here. So 4, it will become minus 2x. 4 minus x minus x minus 4, entire is 4 minus x will be 4 minus 2x. So this is the length and breadth. So if I put here, substitute the value of L and B, what will I write? 5 minus 2x multiplied by 4 minus 2x. Now what has the question said? What is the rate for tiling per meter square? It is rupees 500. So let me write the rate of tiling is rupees 500 per meter square. So total cost of tiling, how much it will be? Total cost of tiling will be this rate of tiling multiplied with area, rate multiplied with area. So let's multiply both. 500 to be multiplied with 5 minus 2x and 4 minus 2x. Now let's simplify this. I'm writing this side here equal to 500. Let's first solve this bracket. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Minus 10x. Now minus 2x into 4 will be minus 8x. Minus 2x plus 4x square. Right? Now 500 will be multiplied with 20 minus 18x plus 4x square. Okay, now let's multiply this 500 which is outside with whatever is inside the bracket. This is 10,000. 5 2s are 10 and then 3 zeros, 10,000 minus 5 into 18 will be 90. 90 and then 2 zeros. So this is 9,000x plus 5 4s are 20 and then 2 zeros. So it's 2,000 x square. This is the total cost of tiling. Okay. for this entire area. Now let's look at the area of the wall to be painted. Now let's first draw this area that we are going to paint. I'll draw here or maybe here. Now if we look carefully here, we can divide this entire wall to be painted, painted like this. If I, these two will be identical, right? Have identical area, and these two will have identical area. Now what will be the area for this? Let's first understand the length and breadth. This is x, it's already given in the question, x. So this value is x from here to here. What is this length given in the question? 4 meter. Now similarly here for this area, this rectangular area, this is x, we know. And what is this inside wall equal to? Here I need to subtract x and x from the entire whole 5. So it will be 5 minus 2x. We had calculated here the length of this area to be tiled. Same is the area for this wall also, this boundary wall. So this is 5 minus 2x. Now what will be the area for this particular square? Let's write down, not square, rectangle. Area of the portion to be painted. That's what we are trying to find, area of the portion to be painted. For tiled we have already completed. Area of the portion to be painted. First is this rectangle, right? This is 4 multiplied with x, 4x. Now there are two such rectangles. So 2 multiplied with 4x. I am putting a dot for multiplication. 2 multiplied with 4x. Plus again 2 rectangles are there. So 2 multiplied with how much? 5 minus 2x. This length with this breadth x. So it is 5 minus 2x multiplied with x. Now this is what we will simplify. This is 2 into 4 is 8x. And 2 multiplied by 5 with this x again, 10x. Then 2 multiplied with minus 2x and this x. It will be minus 4x square. I hope you are able to understand. This will be 18x, 10x plus 8x, 18x minus 4x square. Now we can similarly write down the rate of painting, what has been given in the question. This is a given value. Rate of painting is rupees 200 per meter square, right? So what will be the total cost of painting of this entire area? Only this area needs to be painted. So total cost of painting again we will find by multiplying the rate of painting with the area. Rate of painting is 200 here. 200 multiplied with the area that we have found here, 18x minus 4x square. So it will be 3600x. 18 into 2 is 36. Then 3600x minus 800x square. This will be the total cost of painting this boundary wall, right? Now if I add this value with this total cost of tiling plus total cost of painting, if I add this two together, then I will get the total cost which has been given. Estimate is rupees 5,800. So I can add this up and equate it with 5,800. Let's do that. Total cost of painting plus tiling should be equal to rupees 5,800. This is the value given in the question. So let's write down what expression we have got here. It is 1000 implies that 1000 4 zeros minus 9000x plus 2000x square. I have to add this up, plus 3600x minus 800x square is equal to 5800. Right? Now I'll solve one more step here and then we'll move to the next page. So here all the like terms, 10,000 I can subtract from 5,800. So I'll bring the 10,000 No, I'll bring the 5,800 this side to the left side, minus 5,800. Now minus 9,000 plus 3,600. How much it will be? It will be minus, because this 9,000 is a bigger value, so now minus will come in the numerical coefficient, then 2 zeros, right? 2 zeros. Then 10 minus 6 is 4, and 8 is left here because I borrowed 1 here. So 8 minus 3 is 5, 5,400x. Now here plus 2,000 minus 800 for x square. Coefficients, I'm talking about the coefficients of 2,000 x square. So 2,000 minus 800 is 1,200 x square. Now there is nothing on the right hand side after equal to, it's 0. Okay, now we will move to the next page. Here, same thing I have written in the step. So calculation from the same step where we had left off. So here calculation will be 10,000 minus 5,800. I didn't solve this. I'll do this first. Here it will be 10 minus 8 is 2. Now 9 is left because 1 has been borrowed to subtract the 8. So 9 minus 5 is 4. So 4,200 minus 5,400x plus 1,200 x square equal to 0. Now we can remove the common factor from here. What is the common factor? 1,200 is there, 5,400 is here, 4,200. First I can see 100 is common because 00 is there, means one factor is 100. I can remove easily 100. Then what else is there? 12 is here, 54 is there, 42 is there, all come in 6 table. So I can remove 600 from all of these. So I divide by 600. This side as well as here also I divide. That doesn't make sense. It will be 0 anyways. So if I divide 600, what it will be here? 6 sevens are 42. So only 7 is left. The 0 gets cancelled. Similarly, here 6 nines are 54 and 6 twos are 12. And here 0 by any number is 0. So this is what the equation comes down to. Very simplified. This question is actually very easy. Only thing is that while doing this addition, subtraction and this factorization, we shouldn't make any mistake. Now 2 and 7, very easy. I don't even know, don't need to go to the discriminant method. Here it is minus 7x minus 2x plus 7 equal to 0. Now x, 2x minus 7 minus 1, 2x minus 7 equal to 0. X minus 1, 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x could be either equal to 1 or 7 by 2. Now we need to check, x will have only one value for this question. We need to check if 1 satisfies this or 7 by 2 satisfies. Let's check. Let's look at one of the length or breadth, length of the inside wall that needs to be tiled. What it is? L equal to 5 minus 2x. Now we will substitute the value of x here. L equal to 5 minus 2x. Let me take 1. Value of x as 1. For x equal to 1, it will be 5 minus 2, 3 meter or centimeter? Meter. 3 meter. Now similarly, if I put I'll take for x equal to 7 by 2. If I write here 7 by 2, what will happen? The 5 minus 7, what is left with 5? Left after cancelling out the 2, minus 2m. Can the boundary wall have any length as a negative integer? Impossible. So x equal to 7 by 2 is not the correct answer. We can prove like this. So what will be the width of this wall? It should be 1 meter for the entire budget to come up to 5,800. We just saw how. We saw all the steps here. How we calculated the area, multiplied it to the rate, and then got the total cost of tiling, and then total cost of painting also we got. Total cost of painting plus total of cost of tiling we equated with 5,800, and now we get the value of x, that is the width of this painting, of this wall to be painted, as 1 for the cost or the budget to be 5,800. So final answer is x equal to 1 meter. Right? This will be the answer for question number 32. Let's start with question number 33. A restaurant stores ice cream in a box with a dispenser. This is the box with a dispenser for filling ice cream cones. The dimensions of the box and the ice cream cones used by the restaurant are shown in figure 1. So these are the dimensions for the dispenser, and dimensions for cones are given here in the figure 1. To make each serving of dessert, the cone is first filled with ice cream and then topped with a hemispherical scoop of ice cream taken from the box as shown in figure 2. First, the inside of the cone, it is filled with ice cream. Then a hemispherical cone, not cone, hemisphere of ice cream is filled in the cone. So just to understand how much volume is ice cream in a cone, how much volume of ice cream is going, this line has been written. Explicitly, they have mentioned that ice cream is filled in the cone and then a hemispherical scoop of ice cream is given on the top of it. Okay, so approximately how many desserts can be served out of a completely filled box of ice cream? So if this box is completely filled, approximately means the answer is going to come in not come in a definite number. Definitely there are some decimals or fractions involved in the answer. So approximately how many ice cream scoops are there in this box, the question is asking. Now we know the volume of ice cream in the box. The box is a cuboid, right? Volume of ice cream box, that will be the that will be the volume of total ice cream in that box. So what will be the volume of this ice cream box? It is a cuboid, means length multiplied with breadth multiplied with height, which is 40 into 30 into 115. Similarly, what will be the volume of ice cream in a cone? In an ice cream cone, volume of ice cream in a cone, what it will be? It will be first the volume of this cone here, volume of this cone plus the volume of hemispherical scoop, this outside scoop which is given, right? Volume of hemispherical scoop, that will be the total volume of ice cream in the cone. Now let's write the formula for volume of cone. What is the volume of cone? Volume of cone is, we know, 1 by 3 multiplied with pi square h. And what is the volume of hemispherical scoop? It is 4 by 3. Total sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. But here it is hemisphere, means half of a sphere. So not 4, it will be 2 by 3. Right? If I divide it by 2, what it will become? Numerator will be halved. It will be 2 by 3. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now what is common? We will just keep it outside. 1 by 3 pi r square. H is not common, it will stay inside. And here 2 r, 2 into radius. This will stay inside. This is the final volume of ice cream in this ice cream cone. So let's put all the values. For pi, we have been mentioned we need to take the value 22 by 7. So let's put 22 by 7. What will be r? Here total cone diameter is 7 centimeter. So it will be half, that is 3.5 multiplied with 3.5, right? What will be the height? Height will be 12 centimeter. So 12 plus 2 of radius. 2's radius means diameter. So 7, right? This will be what I need to calculate the total volume of ice cream that will fit properly into a cone. That is this much. Let's add whatever is needed. Here 7 5s are 0.5, 7 5s are 35, then there is a decimal point here, so it comes here. Now I will make it 11 into 2, right? 22 is 11 into 2 multiplied with 0.5. 2 into 0.5 will become 1. We'll do that in the next step. And this 12 plus 7 is 19. So here this becomes 2 into 0.5 becomes 1. So what is left? 11 into 3.5 into 19 by 3. This is what stays, 11 into 3.5 into 19 by 3. Now if I divide this volume of ice cream box by the volume of ice cream cone, what will I get? Let's write it down, what we will get. Okay, let the total number of desserts that the box can serve be equal to x. This is what we need to find out, this x value. That's the question is asking us, how many desserts, how many ice cream scoops can come out of that box, completely filled box. So this is x, the number, x multiplied by volume of each ice cream cone, filled ice cream cone, actually ice cream filled cone, not the empty cone, because the filled ice cream cone will have the ice cream inside the cone, as well as there will be a hemispherical ball on the top. So this volume of each ice cream filled cone is equal to volume of the box. Volume of the box is actually nothing but total volume of the ice cream in the box. So if I equate and then x, I can write like this, x is equal to volume of the box by volume of each ice cream filled cone. Now here I need to substitute the values that I had got on the other side of the page. What is the volume of the box? That is 40 into 30 into 115. That is the volume of the box. Dimensions, length into breadth into height. Now what is the volume of each ice cream cone? 11. That's what we had got on the other side, into 3.5 into 19 by 3. Okay. So what I will do here, I will do the reciprocal of the denominator because we are dividing. So the 3 will come up and what will stay here is 11 into 3.5 into 19. Now what will be the total value here? 40 into 30 into 115 into 3. I've already calculated, it is 414,000. And what is the value of this denominator? 731.5. Now if you divide, it will come to 565.96. But this is not we need. X is the total number of desserts that can be filled, means total number of ice creams, scoops that can come out. That's a number. It can't be in decimal, right? So approximately 565 desserts can be served from that box full of box filled with ice cream. This is this box. Approximately 565 such ice creams can come out. I hope this is very clear. This is a very simple question. Just find out the volume of ice cream box. But while finding out the volume of ice cream in a cone, we need to consider volume of cone plus volume of hemispherical scoop. This if we don't do, then the answer might come wrong. Then we divide this volume of ice cream box by value of ice cream in a cone to find the number of such ice creams that can come out from the box. So the value is, again I'm repeating, 565 desserts. You can check the calculation part on your own.